Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been working with Jira for a while, you probably know how quickly saved filters can pile up, especially when multiple team members are creating and sharing them. In today's full guide, I'll show you how to delete a Jira filter step by step so you can keep your workspace clean, organized, and running smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, open Jira and head over to the Your Work section from the left sidebar. This is your personal hub where all your recent projects, boards, and filters live. Next, click on the Filters tab. Here, you'll see all the filters you've created or have access to. If you want to view everything in one place, simply select View All Filters. This brings up a full list of filters, complete with details like who created them, the last modified date, and who has access. This is especially useful if you're working in a shared environment and want to make sure you're not deleting something another teammate needs. Now, take a moment to identify the correct filter you want to remove. Double check the filter's name, criteria, and any notes or tags to make sure it's the one you actually want gone. Once you delete a filter, it's permanent, so it's always worth confirming before taking action. When you're ready, click the three dots, next to that filter's name. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear. This is your last checkpoint. Since there's no undo option, make sure you've selected the right one, then confirm the deletion, and that's it. The filter is now gone. Take a quick look through your filter list to verify it's been removed. By deleting old or unused filters, you not only reduce clutter, but also improve your overall Jira performance and team efficiency. So that's how you delete filters in Jira. Quick, simple, and essential for staying organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more step-by-step productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.